In English, we might say, is Ben busy tomorrow? Well, in ASL, we can sign this. All right, let's sign this question. Here's the sign for tomorrow. All right, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. The hand shape is the letter A, like in the alphabet. Fingers together, bring them down, thumb alongside. Put it right here on the side of your face and just tilt forward. Tomorrow. From the side. Other side. From the front again. Tomorrow. Yes. Okay, so we have a name. Let's fingerspell. B-E-N. So we have Ben. Ben. Here's the sign for busy. Okay, going to use both hands. Now I'm right-handed. Non-dominant hand, we're going to make it the letter S, so we could say a fist. We're going to put our fist down there so the back's pointing up. That's our platform. With your dominant hand, for me, my right hand, we're going to make the letter B from the alphabet. Fingers together, thumb in front. Now we're going to use the bottom part of the palm, and we're going to rub like crazy on the back side of our fist. Busy. Busy. From the side. Other side. From the front again. Okay, now it's important to rub kind of like you're a busy little bee, because if you go slow and you go big arcing movements, it can mean business. Busy, business, different. So we need busy here, so go like this. Okay. All right, this is a yes-no question. Raise those eyebrows. How do we know it's a yes-no question? Because there are only 3 possible answers. Yes, no, or maybe. All right, let's practice. Sign with me. Tomorrow, Ben, busy. Tomorrow, Ben, busy. All right, let's speed up. Okay, so let's have some fun here. How about we change tomorrow with before? So in English, before was Ben busy? All right, do you remember how to sign before? Test your brain. Like this. Before. Before. So we're going to sign now. We're going to go before Ben busy. All right, let's do it. Go ahead. Before Ben busy. All right, let's sign this again. Tomorrow Ben busy. All right, let's change out the name. We're going to stick with tomorrow, and let's do Nora. N-O-R-A, Nora. Go ahead. Can you sign? Tomorrow, Nora busy? All right, let's sign this one more time with Ben. Here we go. Okay, we just talked about how to sign tomorrow, Ben busy.